Tired of expensive phone bills? Let's ditch traditional lines and build a cost-effective calling solution using a KVM VPS and Telnyx. First, you'll need a KVM VPS. Choose a provider and select a server with sufficient resources for your expected call volume. Once your VPS is provisioned, access it through SSH using a terminal. Now, update your server's package lists and upgrade the installed packages to ensure you're working with the latest versions. After the system is updated, install the necessary software for VoIP, such as Asterisk or FreeSwitch. Next, head over to the Telnyx website and create an account. After registering, log into your Telnyx portal. In the Telnyx portal, purchase a phone number, then configure your SIP trunk, which will act as the bridge between your KVM VPS and Telnyx. Back on your VPS, configure your VoIP software to connect to your Telnyx SIP trunk using the credentials provided by Telnyx. This involves specifying the Telnyx SIP server address, username, and password in your VoIP software's configuration file. Finally, test your setup by making and receiving calls. Verify that audio is clear and that calls are routing correctly. With a little configuration, you have your own powerful and cost-effective communication setup.